Hey, little feetsies. What's up guys, it's Vid, and today we're going to be actually making some more $1 Million art. Now, you guys seem to really be enjoying this. As you've seen, there's other episodes, so go check them out. Just go check them out. They're down below, they're on the channel, just go check them out, they're dope. This one is one of my favorites. I am a huge fan of Courage the Cowardly Dog. So
me too.
Yes, today we've decided to make a Courage the Cowardly Dog $1 Million art piece on this bad boy right here. Now, what we're going to do for those colors is we have these set up right here for you. We're going to have, I feel like this goes with him, this goes with him, this is a great color. This is gonna make him pop more. I know it doesn't go with him, but his teeth are kind of yellow.
Oh, good point.
So like it kind of makes him pop more, which I'm assuming that's why they made them that color, to be honest with you. That's probably what the artists were doing.
Yeah, I agree.
White here, we got some black, some plum, as they call it, yummy, and then we got crimson. So this should be pretty dope for making Courage. It's gonna be looking really trippy, which is kind of what his whole show is about. It's really kind of creepy and trippy, so this is gonna be dope. So let's just get right into it, guys. So here we go. We're gonna do a little bit of black just to get the outline. I want to do the sharp black that we've been doing with most of them. There you go, that's dope. We're gonna put some of the fuchsia and some of the plum on here. That's so Courage.
I already see it.
Isn't that so Courage?
You just need a little bit more light colors. We'll get to it, but yeah.
We shall get to it. Fuchsia.
Oh, now I see it.
Right? That's so Courage. Oh my god.
He's got to get his yellow teeth in there.
A yellow. We got pink here. I do this with all of them. One of these I'm gonna break my teeth and I'm gonna actually hate myself. So let's try not to do that. Okay, here. Oh my god, that's so Courage. Dude, this literally like, I could just plaster him on here right now. And you wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even know.
That's perfect. I actually like that color combination.
And then this is going to be like
his yellow teeth, you know? Bad hygiene.
Bad hygiene.
Always brush your teeth.
Kind of late 1990s to early 2000s carpeting in a hotel. Is what I'm going for.
Or the popcorn.
You gotta admit the popcorn ceiling. You gotta admit, I'm doing a good job making it look like that. It looks great. The missing touch.
A little splash.
Absolutely, bro. I'm just saying, if that's not late 1990s looking, I don't know what is. We're gonna put a little bit of red in here, a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit right there, a little right there, a little splash. $1 Million artwork, guys. $1 Million right here. All right, here we go for the mixing. Look at this. That's so dope, bro.
You can put a little, oh wow.
I love it.
I love the purple.
I love it.
Really
It's so Courage. It's so Courage. We did such a good job on this. All right.
It turned out really nice, yeah.
I'm so excited to gloss this one.
The neon colors really look good.
Okay guys, so here's the issue we're running into. The paper that Courage was printed on. I don't like that. Oh god, I'm not a big fan of this. If you're watching this and you're having a little bit of a panic attack, trust me, I'm sure I'm having one 10 times worse. All right, let's just hit little feetsies. There's little feets. There we go. Almost there. Ah, yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Okay, here we go. Ear first. That ear second. Move it down, move it down, move it down. And there we freaking go.
That's awesome.
Holy crap, talk about having a freaking panic attack trying to put them on.
It looks so cool.
That looks so good.
It's like taking a shower in some neon pink and green.
It's exactly what I was going for with it. Well, Courage came out absolutely incredible, if I do say so myself. Looks incredible. Great job. I'm so excited to see more of the $1 Million art that we keep on making. He has the clear coat, came out pretty good on him. His ear did have a little bit of lifting up, so we had to use a little bit of Gorilla Glue to like fix up on him. And I only got a little bit. I only got a little bit on my finger.
Yeah, me too.
So we're okay. But guys, smash that like button, hit that sub button for more $1 million artwork. It's freaking awesome. Courage came out so freaking well. You guys gotta check out some of the other videos that we made too as well. There's some really awesome other videos that we have about $1 million artwork. Let me know down below what else you guys would like to see in terms of this stuff too. We'd love to hear suggestions. Have a great rest of your day, guys. We'll see you on the next one.